Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to share YouTube video as a sticker in Snapchat. So it's an extremely easy process. What you have to do is first open YouTube, then simply find the video that you want to share as a sticker on Snapchat. Let's say for example this one. Then just simply click on share, and in the share application list just simply search for Snapchats, which is right over here at the very start because I used, but mostly if you are using for the first time, it will be at the very end with the Snapchats right over here. Now just need to choose the main Snapchat application and wait for a few seconds, and it should redirect you to the Snapchat camera option page. Now over here, just simply click on allow, then just simply again click on allow. Now once you're over here, you will be able to see the editing options that you will have. If you click on the video itself, you will be redirected to YouTube. You can save it to your location using the save option at the very bottom left hand side corner. You can upload this or make this a story, or make this your story using the story option. And in the end, if you click on send it to, you can send it to someone. Like for example, just simply choose any user, then click on the send option, and then this will be sent, as you can see right over here, as a sticker. So in the story section, if you click on it, it will look something like this. So go to your stories. So currently this is my story and this is it, and this is how it will look. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.